Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be taking you through our Christmas decor 2023. I've tried to bring in a lot of natural elements. I picked all these rosemary from our garden and some thyme leaves, and I will be using this as decor. Of course, I do have some for decoration too. We started decorating just a couple of days before the first Advent. I don't like to decorate beforehand, and I like to start it just when everybody else is doing over here, and that is before Advent. I'm not a big YouTuber, so I don't want to start early also. I went in for a very neutral theme this year, and I didn't really buy anything. Last year I got a few faux plants at the end of the season for a really discounted price, so I tried to use them. And remaining all remains the same as the last few years. Some of the decor items I have are at least a decade or so old. We had a very good snowfall over the weekend, and it was quite a lot of snow, and you will see in the garden that some of our small bushes and trees are really falling to the ground due to the weight of the snow. The community had to come and chop off some of the trees in order to avoid accidents. It was really beautiful, but in the last couple of days we have also had rains and they are slowly melting. Let me show you what I have decorated for this year. The only place I have decorated is a little bit of the kitchen and the living room. Other than that, I haven't done much at all. I'm not going to be giving a big voiceover, just enjoy the decor and the music. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tour and my decoration. See you in my next video. Bye bye.